Good morning. It is September 26th. Took a couple days off of my chemtrail blog here. It's about 7:10 in the morning. They've been doing a lot of spraying pre-dawn. I guess people are starting to notice that they're putting these things all over the sky. I've lived in this house, this location, 12 years, and just gradually seen it get worse and worse. This last summer was by far the worst I've ever seen. Here's all these big, beautiful trees in my neighborhood. We'll see how many are left after spring. The so-called drought that they instigated with all their spraying has killed all the trees. That looks like military. Like I said, I got planes over this area of my house non-stop. But you can see all the contrails there. That Sunday 23rd video, 2012, truly was rare to see blue skies. This is normally what we see. It's white. Anyway, I'm late for work. Have a good day.